Okay, we're going to set it to manual. Motor's going to stop. We're going to make sure this is very tight, locked in. Make sure this bites into the core on both sides so that it grips the core very tight. I'm going to grab the paper. As you go right about center of the core here. And then we're going to go all the way to the silver wire. We're going to cut one tab off this side. And we're going to go over to the left side. We're going to do the same thing from the silver bar to the end. So we end up with a V shape. Like you have a piece of tape. We're going to tape just the centerpiece here. Then I'm going to pull. Before I let go, I'm going to, both sides, I'm going to pull both sides. You can even, if you want, release the paper here. Make sure it pulls and you don't see any slack on all sides of the paper. Lock it down, and then you're just going to tape this. Still holding the dance bar on the front, just tension on here. Then you're going to go to auto mode.